Hello YouTube, Basin Truck here again. Today, I've got a little bit of a rant.
Take a seat and don't forget to watch my other videos.
It would appear there's something cursed about toolboxes and workbenches. I don't know what it is, but they always seem to accumulate lots of clutter. Now, as you can see, my toolbox is a mess. I don't intentionally do this. I don't know why it always winds up like a disaster. I clean it, and the next thing I know, I come back, and it's like everything's just dumped on there. And it's not just me that this happens to. So I don't know what the phenomena is that creates these gigantic messes on anything with a flat surface. You just like kind of throw things here and there, and the next thing you know, it's piled up, you can't get to anything, you can't do anything, and it just drives me up a wall. I hate it, but yet I still do it. It's my fault. Nobody else touches this stuff but me. So I can't blame anybody. That would be awesome if I could blame someone else for this mess, but I can't. It's my fault. I've got to own up to it. Here it is. So this is what my toolbox looks like at the moment. You know, honestly, I can't remember the last time I cleaned it off. It was probably a month or two ago. And I'll clean most of it off, I'll organize it, throw stuff away, put the tools away, figure out miscellaneous, I don't know, some things I throw up there, I don't even know why. At the time it seemed like a good idea, or maybe I was just busy. But a lot of the times I'll dump my tools up here because I'll be finishing up at night, I'll be working on something, I'll be like, you know, I can't put it away right now. I'm tired, it's dark, I'm cold, I want to shower, I'm hot, whatever the excuse is. And here's what we got. So, to finish this rant, I think I'm going to try to clean this off. It's probably going to take, you know, that's the other rant of this. It always seems to take forever to clean something off properly. You know, there's really not that much stuff up here, I'm sure. I mean, we've got a bunch of random stuff. Look, we've got a hammock. We've got some Romex cable. I mean, we've got a grinder with the guard off. That's real safe. Safety first. I mean, we've got the mask, I mean, we've got all kinds. Sandpaper, grass scissors, shears. I mean, it's a mess of all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna clean it off. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. I'll probably just do a time lapse so I don't bore you guys to death. But it's a very big pet peeve of mine, and even I fall for it myself. Let's clean this mess up. Go! Much better.
Thanks for watching. Throw a comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.